Clinical manifestations. Clinical manifestations of bronchiectasis. Silent, that means the silent symptoms of bronchiectasis. जो इसका जो इस कंडीशन का ऑनसेट होता है दैट इज यूजुअली इंसीडियस विद persistent or recurrent cough. With persistent or recurrent cough, there is foul smelling, and also productive cough. Another symptom is the fever, and there is recurrent attacks of respiratory infections. Afterwards, जो एक चाइल्ड होता है दैट में प्रेजेंट विद डिस्पेनिया, wheezing, cyanosis, poor general condition, anorexia, poor weight gain, hemoptysis, and clubbing in advanced stages. These are the signs and symptoms of bronchiectasis. The onset of the condition is usually insidious with persistent or recurrent cough. Cough जो होती है that may be persistent or there is recurrent cough. Also there is foul smelling. Child is having foul smelling and productive cough. जो ये productive cough है that means कि जो ये cough होती है that is with copious mucopurulent sputum. That is the productive cough. Also, the child is having fever. There is recurrent attacks of respiratory infection. This is common. The child is getting recurrent attacks of respiratory infection. These are the common. In addition to this, there is dyspnea, meaning that there is shortness of breath, wheezing. This is the sound which is produced at the time of expiration. Cyanosis, bluish coloration of the skin. Poor general condition, anorexia, loss of appetite, means child is having loss of appetite, poor weight gain, hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means when the child coughs, there is the production of sputum with blood. That is known as the hemoptysis, sputum with blood. And in advanced stages, there is clubbing. This is the deformity of food. These are the signs and symptoms that are found in bronchiectasis. Now the diagnosis. जो ये condition है bronchiectasis, it is diagnosed by taking history of illness, and physical examination. Diagnosis is done by taking history of illness and by physical examination. Also by chest X-ray. Bronchoscopy is done and bronchography. also CT scan is done to diagnose the bronchiectasis. In addition to these, bacteriological studies bacteriological studies is done to identify the bronchiectasis. Bronchiectasis जो condition है ये हमें कैसे पता चलती है, हम कैसे investigate करते हैं? It is investigated by taking history of illness and by physical examination. इसे हमें पता चलता है by clinical sign and symptoms से हमें पता चलता है. Also हम क्या लेते हैं by chest X-ray हम करते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें पता चलता है bronchi. Chest X-ray में क्या होता है, जो जब हम chest X-ray करते हैं तो chest X-ray shows honeycomb appearance of the affected part. Chest X-ray से कैसे पता चलता है? Chest X-ray जो है, it shows honeycomb appearance of the affected part. Also, with increased bronchovascular bronchoscopy and bronchography and CT scan, this help to assess the extent of involvement. This helps to assess the extent of involvement and also the need for surgery. Bronchoscopy and bronchography या CT scan किस लिए किया जाता है? इससे हमें पता चलता है कि कितना डैमेज हुआ, to what extent there is involvement and need for the surgery. Also bacteriological studies की जाती है. Bacteriological study जो होती है that is with culture. It is with culture and sensitivity of respiratory secretions and sensitivity of secretions and sputum. This helps to detect the bacteriological studies जो है with culture and sensitivity of respiratory secretions and sputum. This helps to detect the presence of infection. Which infection is present? By these we can diagnose the bronchiectasis.